Cows are among the most familiar animals on earth, yet they are also some of the most misunderstood. Often seen simply as farm animals that provide milk and meat, cows actually possess fascinating biological, behavioral, and ecological traits. Today, we will uncover some truly mind blowing facts about cows that will completely change the way you see them. Let's begin with intelligence. Many people assume cows are not very smart, but research shows otherwise. Cows have excellent memories and can remember faces, both human and animals, for long periods. They can also learn from experience and solve simple problems. In fact, when cows successfully complete a task such as opening a gate, they show clear signs of excitement. This suggests that cows not only think but also experience emotions linked to achievement. Speaking of emotions, cows are highly social animals. They form strong bonds with other members of their herd and even develop friendship. You might be surprised to know that cows can become stressed or anxious when separated from their preferred companions. When reunited, they often show signs of happiness such as increased movements and vocalization. Another fascinating fact is that cows have a wide range of vocalizations. Their moo is not just a random sound, it can express different emotions like hunger, distress, and excitement. Farmers who spend time with their cattle can often distinguish between these sounds and understand what their cows are trying to communicate. Now, let's talk about their unique digestive system. Cows are ruminants, which means they have four-chambered stomach. This allows them to break down tough plant material like grass. One of the most interesting behaviors associated with this system is chewing the cud. After initially eating, cows regurgitate partially digested food and chew it again. This process improves digestion and allows them to extract maximum nutrient from low quality plant material. Have you ever wondered how much a cow eats? On average, a cow can consume up to 40 kilograms of food in a single day. They spend about 6 to 8 hours eating and several more hours chewing cud. This constant feeding is necessary to support their large body size and energy needs. Cows also have an incredible sense of smell. They can detect scents from several kilometers away. This helps them locate food, recognize other animals, and even detect danger. Their hearing is also quite sensitive, which allow them to pick up on subtle environmental changes. Let's move to vision. Cows have almost 360-degree panoramic vision due to the placement of their eyes on the sides of their heads. This wide field of view helps them detect predators. However, they have poor depth perception directly in front of them, which is why they may hesitate when approaching unfamiliar objects or shadows. Another surprising fact is that cow can recognize individual human. If a person treats them kindly, they are more likely to approach that person again. On the other hand, negative experience can lead to avoidance behavior. This shows that cows are capable of forming long term associations. Cows also play a major role in agriculture and ecosystems. They contribute to the soil fertility through manure, which acts as a natural fertilizer. In many rural areas, cow dung is also used as a source of fuel and building material. This makes cow an essential part of sustainable farming systems. Now, here is something truly fascinating. Cows can sleep while standing up, but they only experience deep sleep when laying down. On average, cows sleep for about 4 hours a day, but this sleep is divided into short periods rather than one long stretch. Let's talk about calf. When a calf is born, it can stand and walk within few hours. This is an important survival adaptation. The bond between a mother cow and her calf is very strong. Mothers can recognize their calves by sound and smell, and they show protective behavior during their early stages of life. Cows also have a strong sense of routine. They prefer consistency in feeding times, milking schedules, and daily activities. Any sudden change can cause stress which may affect their health and productivity. Another mind blowing fact is that cow can experience stress in ways similar to humans. Stress can affect their immune system, reduce milk production, and even impact their reproductive health. This is why proper animal welfare is so important in modern farming. Let's not forget their environmental impact. Cows are often discussed in relation to methane emissions, a greenhouse gas produced during digestion. While this is a concern, scientists are working on solutions such as improved feed, breeding strategies, and even microbial interventions to reduce emissions. Cows also have cultural and economic importance. In many countries, they are considered symbol of wealth, status, and even spirituality. They have been part of human civilizations for thousands of years, providing food, labor, and companionship. Here is another interesting fact. Cows can walk up stairs, but they have difficulty walking down. This is due to the structure of their legs and depth perception challenges. Cows also have unique pattern on their noses, much like human fingerprints. No two cows have same nose print, which can be used for identification. In terms of communication, cow use body language as well. Ear position, tail movement, and posture can all indicate how a cow is feeling. For example, a relaxed cow will have a calm posture, while an agitated cow may show tension and rapid tail movement. Let's talk about breeds. There are hundreds of cow breeds around the world, each adapted to different climate and purposes. Some are specialized for milk production, while others are bred for meat and dual purposes. Cows are also surprisingly fast. Despite their size, they can run at speeds of up to 25 km per hour when necessary. This usually happens when they feel threatened or excited. Another fascinating behavior is grooming. Cows often lick each other as a way of bonding and maintaining social relationships. This behavior strengthens herd unity. Finally, a cow is more than just a farm animal. They are complex, intelligent, and emotionally aware beings. Understanding their behavior and biology help us appreciate their role in our lives and encourages more human and sustainable farming practices. For more videos related to animals and science facts, do not forget to like and subscribe our channel ZooSphere. Our channel is dedicated to promote zoological sciences. Thank you very much. Cows are among the